What is up, everyone? This is MotoTurtles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix unable to format SD card or USB device on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to format a SD card that basically you can put in your laptop or computer, or again a USB drive, let's say you try to do it from the usual spot, which is under this PC, you press this, you press format, and then when you press start, it doesn't do it, right? Whatever the situation is and whatever format you're doing it on. If you're not able to do this, the next thing you want to do is go to your search bar and type in device management. Disk management, wrong thing, until you see create and format hard disk partition pop up. In here, you're going to see all the drives, whether it's your local disk, so your C drive, and etc., whatever else you created, or the SD/USB that you're trying to format. Right click into that and press delete volume, and it's going to basically delete everything. So that's the main thing. It's going to delete everything off of the card or USB device. You basically press OK, or yes, I should say, and then once you do that, you allocate it by creating a new simple volume, and then you basically choose which type of file you're trying to create, NTFS, FAT32, etc., right? You basically just go from there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are in a video, please smash the like, go ahead and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that MotoTurtles out. Peace.